Hi guys, and welcome to Infinitive Passive Income. Today I will make a honest review about Auto Profit Links, a product created by Glynn Kosky. What is Auto Profit Links, the sales page, the live demo, the price, and finally my honest review if you worth buying or not. But before we start, I want to show you my bonuses if you decide to purchase Auto Profit Link, which my link below. You will get this Instagram guide plus Facebook Powerhouse. This ebook have tips can help you to drive traffic from Facebook. Plus the secret of marketing. Inside this ebook you will discover the topics about starting your homework. And finally, social networking. The ebook have topics about using the power of the internet in your business. So this is my bonuses if you decide to purchase Auto Profit Link, which my link, the link in the description below. Now let's get started. So first, what is it Auto Profit Link? Auto Profit Link is a brand new software that you can use to get free buyer traffic to any website, affiliate link or funnel. What makes Auto Profit Links powerful is that it enables you to tap into high tickets and low tickets in the same time. So you can create squeeze pages, thank you pages and bonus pages. So there is 3 steps to use Auto Profit Links. First step is purchase. The second step is activate, and the third step is profit and scale. Here in the sales page, in less than 47 seconds, 100% done for you profit links make us plus $379 per day. This breakthrough app puts your links in front of hungry buyers. 326 million underground traffic source. 100% brand new traffic, free buyer traffic, perfect for newbies, no experience or skills required. So you're just 3 steps away from free buyer traffic and finally getting real results online. Purchase, activate and enjoy. And here's some results, no one sure if they're real or not, and blah blah blah. The same sales pages we see these days talk about the freedom and they earn thousands of dollars with just few clicks. So inside the tool you will find some tutorials, your campaigns, pop-ups done for you, and email integrations. So this is the page where you're going to be able to get people email addresses by offering them a free gift so that you can send them marketing emails in the future. After filling in the email and click download the report now, you will be moving to the second page, name it affiliate page. The system starts recommending things that the user and the viewers want. For the price, it's costs $17 one-time pay, no monthly fees, but you can benefit from $4 off if you move the mouse like this. For my opinion, I think this product is just another useless tool from Glynn Kosky and will not benefit you in your business at all, because recently we see a lot of done-for-you products in JVZoo and Warrior Plus, but when you test the product you will find it useless and you will never benefit from it. And this is my honest opinion. But if you want to buy the product and try it by yourself, it costs only $13 and you can use my link in the description below to benefit from my bonuses. Your friend Sad was with you guys, and see you in the next video.